Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your one-stop channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic. Why does the colon produce flammable gas? It may sound like a subject fit for a science fiction novel, but it's a very real part of our biology and our journey to better health. Understanding our body's functions is crucial. Every process, every reaction contributes to our overall well-being, and that includes the production of gas in our colon. We'll be taking a deep dive into this subject, exploring the science behind it, the role of our digestive system, and the fascinating work of our gut bacteria. So if you've ever wondered why some gas is flammable, or if you're simply curious about the marvels of the human body, you're in for a treat. So buckle up as we explore the scientific reasons behind this fascinating bodily function. To grasp why the colon produces flammable gas, we need to first understand the digestive process. It's a fascinating journey that begins from the moment you take your first bite. The digestive process is our body's method of breaking down food into nutrients it can use. It all starts in the mouth, where the process of mastication or chewing breaks down food into smaller pieces. Saliva also plays a crucial role in digestion, as it contains enzymes that begin the breakdown of starches and fats right in the mouth. Once swallowed, the food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach, where it is mixed with stomach acid to break down the food further. From here, the food, now a liquid called chyme, enters the small intestine. This is where the majority of digestion and absorption of nutrients occurs. Enzymes break down the chyme into even smaller molecules so they can be absorbed into the bloodstream. But what about the parts of food that can't be digested and absorbed? That's where the colon or large intestine comes into play. Its primary function is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter. It also processes waste material, preparing it for expulsion from the body. But the colon does more than just that. It's home to trillions of bacteria that aid in the breakdown of undigested food, contributing to the final stages of digestion. And this process produces, as a byproduct, the gas that builds up and is eventually released from the body. But here's the intrigue: not all this gas is the same. The composition of the gas varies depending on many factors, including the types of food you eat, the bacteria present in your colon, and your body's unique digestive process. Now that we understand the digestive process, let's delve into why some of this gas is flammable. The key to answering our question lies in our gut bacteria. Indeed, these microscopic organisms that call our gut home play an integral role in our digestive process. Let's delve a bit deeper. The human gut is akin to a bustling metropolis of bacteria, with around 100 trillion inhabitants, which is about 10 times the total number of human cells in our body. These bacteria, collectively termed as the gut microbiota, are not just mere freeloaders. They play a crucial role in breaking down the food we eat, especially those that our body finds challenging to digest. Now imagine you've just savored a hearty meal as the food travels down your digestive tract. These bacteria get to work. They break down the complex carbohydrates, proteins, and other nutrients, effectively acting like little chefs cooking up a feast. This process of fermentation allows us to extract the maximum nutritional value from our food. But like any bustling city or a busy kitchen, there's always some waste. In this case, the waste comes in the form of gas. Yes, those unpleasant episodes of flatulence are a byproduct of the hard work of our gut bacteria. The gas produced is a mixture of different gases, primarily nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and methane. Now, you might wonder, how does this relate to our initial question? Well, the production of these gases is a natural and necessary aspect of the digestive process. It's the body's way of getting rid of waste and maintaining balance. However, it's the hydrogen and methane in this mixture that makes the gas flammable. But what makes these gases flammable? The answer lies in the composition of the gas. Both hydrogen and methane are flammable gases. When combined with oxygen and ignited, they burn. Which is why we often associate the term flammable with these gases. But rest assured, while this might sound alarming, it's perfectly normal and is a testament to the complex and fascinating workings of our bodies. The gas produced in our colon isn't just air. It's a concoction of various gases, some of which are flammable. This might seem surprising, but let's break it down. Our bodies are remarkable machines, and our digestive system is a large part of that. As food travels through the gut, it's broken down by trillions of bacteria. These microscopic organisms are responsible for processing the leftovers from our meals that our bodies can't digest. In the process, they produce a variety of gases, which include nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and methane. Nitrogen and oxygen are the most common gases and are typically harmless. They are the same gases we breathe in from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, another common gas, is a natural byproduct of the metabolic processes happening in our body cells. But let's focus on the two gases that give our colon its flammable characteristics, hydrogen and methane. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless, and highly flammable gas. In our bodies, it's produced when certain types of gut bacteria break down carbohydrates that our bodies can't digest. Now, on to methane. Not everyone produces methane. Actually, only about 1/3 of people do. It's produced by a specific group of bacteria called methanogens, which convert hydrogen and carbon dioxide into methane. Like hydrogen, methane is also odorless, colorless, and yet, you guessed it, flammable. These flammable gases, hydrogen and methane, are produced in such small amounts that they don't pose a risk. But they do give our colon's gas its flammable properties. And while we're on the subject, let's dispel a myth. Not all colon gas smells. The odor typically comes from trace amounts of other gases, like hydrogen sulfide, which is produced when proteins are broken down in the gut. So the flammability of the gas is due to the presence of methane and hydrogen. But is there a purpose to this? The presence of flammable gases in our colon might seem peculiar, but it has its reasons. Now let's delve into the potential benefits of these gases. You see, these gases aren't just a byproduct of digestion. They play a crucial role in our body's overall function. Methane, for instance, is a flammable gas that's also an energy source. Our body, in its infinite wisdom, has found a way to harness this energy. The same gut bacteria that help break down our food also convert some of these gases into energy that our body uses. This is particularly significant in the lower gut, where these gases can supply up to 70% of the energy needs. Another flammable gas, hydrogen, plays an essential part in maintaining the balance within our gut. It helps keep the population of gut bacteria in check. Without it, some strains of bacteria might overgrow, leading to digestive issues and discomfort. Furthermore, the presence of these flammable gases is a sign of a healthy digestive system. It's a testament to the fact that our body is efficiently breaking down food and extracting the necessary nutrients. So the next time you feel embarrassed about passing gas, remember that it's a sign that your body is functioning as it should. While excess gas can be a sign of digestive issues, in most cases, it's a normal part of the digestive process. Of course, if you're concerned about excessive gas or any other digestive symptoms, it's always a good idea to seek advice from a healthcare professional. We've come a long way in our understanding of the human body, and yet there's still so much to learn. The presence of flammable gases in our colon is just one of the many fascinating aspects of our complex bodies. It's a reminder of how intricate and well-designed our systems are, and how every little part, even the gases in our colon, plays a vital role. So there you have it. The reason why the colon produces flammable gas. It's another testament to the fascinating complexity of our bodies. And with that, we've reached the end of our enlightening journey. Today, we've delved deep into the fascinating world of our bodies, exploring the intricate workings of our digestive process and the pivotal role that our gut bacteria play. We've discovered why our colon produces flammable gas, an intriguing fact that shows just how complex and amazing our bodies truly are. We've also discussed the composition of this gas, shedding light on its unique properties. Understanding these aspects of our physiology not only satisfies our curiosity but also underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding our bodies is a crucial step towards achieving optimal health. As we continue to make strides in health and wellness, let's not forget the importance of respecting and nurturing our bodies. Thank you for tuning into Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing health insights. Until next time, keep prioritizing your health.